Binaya Panigrahi calls us from Odisha. Hi Binaya, tell us.
Hello.
Hello Binaya, tell us.
Yeah, I'm holding a couple of stocks, which is for long term.
Right.
I'm holding Yes Bank 285 stocks
Okay.
at the average price of 17. I'm holding Aditya Birla AMC at 701 of 24 shares.
Okay. And Z?
Which one?
You have Z as well, right? About 100 shares at 270?
Z, yes.
May I ask you whether you are a regular investor in the stock markets, or these are things that you just dabbled in because you thought they provided good opportunities? What was your rationale behind buying these, Vinaya?
Yeah, this is for long term, maybe 5 to 7 years. But then if the returns are good, I am ready to hold for more than 5 years as well.
Okay. Let me just ask Gaurang. Gaurang, Yes Bank, he bought it at 17. This was a time when most of the problems of the company were out to the fore. So wonder his rationale behind that. He also bought Z at a much higher price, and he's got most stocks where he's sitting with losses. From a 5-year standpoint, what are your thoughts?
Well, thank you, Mangalam, and good afternoon to all of you also. Taking the last stock first, that is Yes Bank, we had actually dropped the coverage because of the news flow. And as you were rightly mentioning, even at 17 rupees, there was plenty of information available in public domain. So, I mean, I don't know whether this is a wise investment or not, but since we've dropped the coverage, I will not comment on Yes Bank, but there are reasons to get concerned. On Z Entertainment and Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, well, we had to subscribe to the Aditya Birla AMC IPO from a long-term point of view, so he can continue to hold on. If he's got investable amount from a long-term point of view, can add on dips. Z Entertainment, you know, after the announcement, there are a lot of news flows, and the stock tends to be, you know, weathering those news flows and moves in the direction, whether good or bad the news flow is. But from a long-term point of view, you can continue to hold on Z Entertainment as well.
Ashish, your thoughts on the stocks?
Good afternoon, Mangalam, and all the viewers. If you look at Yes Bank, I think it has always been disappointed for every investor who have been investing right at 20 rupees or 15 rupees, and then they have not been able to recover back, you know, because of the trend in which it is going. So I would advise to be out from this stock. Whatever the price you get, don't really. It looks more like a gamble to me right now if you are in Yes Bank. So out of this stock, and possibly look forward to buy something like HDFC Bank. The return might be slower, but at least there is some kind of a certainty rather than staying back with Yes Bank. With respect to Aditya Birla AMC, continue to hold the stock. I think there is a very important support for the stock, which is around 600 levels. From there, it showed a earlier bounce back also, and there is a possibility we can start seeing bounce back again from these levels. Expected short-term target on this stock is around 650, and 600 is where he can hold on as a support. And Z, after a very strong rally, it has 350. It is consolidating in a very broad range. Looks like a triangle pattern, which should be a continuation pattern, and the resumption should be on the upside. So I would suggest hold on to ZIL with a stop loss of 290, and we can expect it to cross above that 350 levels as well.